Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to launch X ads campaign. So X actually did an update on their interface, so it's very important that we launch this video to update. So other processes are quite similar, but this video is very important so you can get along with the new updates on the platform. So don't forget, visit the description section to access more resources on how to run successful ad campaigns on X, formerly known as Twitter. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight into this video. All right, so make sure you've logged in your X account. Then you visit ads.x.com. Okay, so if you have, all right, so it's going to bring you here. So we're going to launch a new campaign. So you click on create at the top right, or you click on campaign form, this plus button here. So we just make use of this one. Okay, so next you name it. So you could just call it whatever you can remember it today. Okay, today class. Next, you select your objective: sales for websites, reach to get more persons to see, engagement to get likes, comments, website traffic, more video views under the video views objective, and app install. So we're going to go for website traffic. Then you can use it to drive traffic to any link or, a landing page you want. So you just click on next. All right, so you're going to determine your budget. So you give it a name. So for the ad group, you could call it any AGG01. Determine your budget. You could do $50, $30, $20, $35, or you might want to start with a small amount. Since this is traffic, you could do $5 or $10. Then you scale up over time. So you can set your start time and end time. You could also set up total spend cap, but that is optional. We don't need that for now. Then your country, you could also change your country, your region that you want to target. For I'm targeting Nigeria. Okay. So next, language, and target people who speak specific languages. Yeah, so you could just write English or whatever you want. Make sure they're speaking English. Okay, so I'm going to target all genders, male and female. Okay. So ages, no, I want specific age. So for this, we could do 25 or 35. Okay, so let's do 35. You could do 35 also and see how it works for you. Optimize delivery. Okay, we leave that. So you could skip all of this or make use of it if you want. Okay, so you could also decide to pay via impression or link click. You go for impression. So auto bid, we're going to use this. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so for interest, okay, so we could target people that like business and entrepreneurship. Okay, you can say business, finance, entrepreneurship. Okay, let's just search. Okay, let's go for this alone. All right, so let's see what's the audience size, 1.5 million to 1.7. Okay, we'll leave it. Okay, so we'll leave it that way. Or we could also add business. Okay, let's see. Business owner. So you could include this. Okay. Let's leave it like this. Okay. So we're just going to use that to, this is very strict targeting. All right. So we just click on next. So ad name, we could call this ad 001. So what's happened? Okay. We can say fix your advertising issues with us at Great. Fix your advertising issue with us at Great. Okay. So websites, we're going to use our WhatsApp. We want them to message us on our WhatsApp. Okay, wa.me/great. GWRITE. Okay, what does mean GWRITE? Fix your advertising issues with us. With us. Fix your advertising issues with us. That's great. Very simple. Okay. Get back to advertising. Get back to advertising. Okay, so we're gonna click on add media. So you could also upload. So you click here. I would have loved to use, okay, so we're just gonna use a flyer for this one, but I would strongly recommend use a video. All right. We're gonna use a flyer for this one, but use a video. That's my recommendation for you. So we're gonna select this one. Okay, so once you're done, you click on confirm. Okay, so once you're done, you click on confirm. Then you will click on next. So this is a preview where we preview everything. Your card details. Then we scroll down. Then you click on publish. Visit the description section to access more related resources on how to succeed with X advertising. Okay, so you can see some of our ads are already delivering.